Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Madhvi Mohral, Assistant Professor in English. Rajkumar Keval Ramani Kanya Mahavidyalaya Nagpur is giving presentation on verbal communication. Language is a process comprises four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Good command over any language can be acquired with the regular practice of these four skills. Communication skills are those skills which are needed to speak and write properly. One should have the ability to listen carefully and write and speak clearly in any situation. Therefore, good reading, writing, speaking, and listening, all those four skills are significant for effective communication. Our ability to communicate clearly and share thoughts, expectations, ideas, feelings, and aims perfectly will help us to form our relationships. We can influence others through good communication skills. Communication has two-way exchange. On one hand, we give information, and on the other hand, we receive information from others. So, speaking and writing are the skills which provide or give information, and the other two, those are reading and writing, are the skills which help us to receive information from others. Our views, feelings, or thoughts are communicated in these three ways. There are three different methods of communication. Number one, verbal. Number two, non-verbal. And number three, visual. In verbal communication, words are used as means to communicate or to deliver the message. Sometimes our expectations, body language deliver the message with great effect without using any word. It is non-verbal method of communication. And in some cases, visuals can be proven as the best way to communicate. So this is also the way of communication. Verbal communication is the sharing of information by using words. Verbal communication means spoken communication. There are two ways of verbal communication. The first one is the personal communication, and the other is official or business communication. It is significant to use appropriate word at different situations. Hence, verbal communication is very important. If we fail to use right words in particular situation, it will cause great confusion or misunderstanding, and we will not be able to communicate what we want to communicate. So, there are three forms of communication. Number one, it is face-to-face conversation. In face-to-face conversation, we can see the listener, for example, talking to friends at some gathering, speaking with family members at home, addressing the gatherings, etc. Secondly, it is telephonic conversation for personal or for official purpose. Third one, it is a group discussion. Group discussion is used when a particular topic is discussed with some purpose or to come to some conclusion. And lastly, the fourth one is business discussion. Business discussions, it is completely professional form of communication. There are some chief characteristics of communication. They are sound, speed, tone, and words. Effect of verbal communication depends on these four features. The pitch of speaker's voice many times presents the speaker's confidence and his control over himself. It should not be too loud or too low. It must be moderate in sophisticated communication. It also brings out speakers' exclamations, interrogations, imperations when they are fused with tone. The speed of message delivery shows the speaker's excitement level. If the speaker is in hurry, excited, nervous, angry, his pace of word utterance will be high. Tone has a very important place in verbal communication. It presents the mood of the speaker. As said earlier, it weaves formations of interrogations or exclamations in collaboration with pitch, that is sound. Lastly, the choice of words of the speaker brings out speaker's personality, sometimes his background also, and overall personality of the speaker is reflected with the choice of the word of the speaker. Verbal communication is important in our lives. Why? What is the use of verbal communication? What is the significance of verbal communication? It is because at home, if we use exact words, understanding demand of the situation, it maintains the clarity of relations. Secondly, clarity in verbal communication leads to increase in faith and creates strong bonding among relatives and friends. Faith and understanding created by verbal communication decreases misunderstandings and misconceptions. Finally, the one who acquires the skill of verbal communication can build a positive image at home place or at the workplace successfully. As at home, it is equally important at workplaces too. An employee with good verbal communication maintains successful business communication. With good business communication, he can increase in his productivity. Clear verbal communication results in decrease in errors. Naturally, this success improves the business image of the employee, and that's why it improves the business image of the employee too. It also creates positivity and ultimately improves the work culture. So, it is in the benefit of the entire. If verbal communication is so important, then how to improve the quality of verbal communication? There are some steps which can be followed to improve verbal communication. To improve verbal communication, we have to read extensively. Read a lot. It will help to improve vocabulary, which play a very important role in verbal communication. Secondly, we have to make ourselves competent by preparing ourselves to grab the opportunity to express ourselves confidently and clearly. Thirdly, the more we will listen, the better we will gain the nuances of language skills. Hence, listen good speeches, good discussions, and good lectures. As a speaker, we have to judge the listener in front of us. What are his expectations, capacities, and mood? We have to guess and judge. We have to be conscious and alert to understand the situation. Finally, to conclude, for effective verbal communication, we have to improve the language skills like reading, listening, speaking regularly and consistently. Try the given tricks with great patience and regular practice and achieve the power to communicate. All the very best to all of you. Thank you very much.